Greetings everyone and welcome to Okorie Family TV. Today, we are discussing a parenting mistake that has silently damaged many families. Favoritism among children. Many parents may not realize they are doing it, but their action reveals that one child receives more attention, affection, gifts, protection and praise than others. The danger is that children notice. Favoritism creates emotional wounds. When a child repeatedly sees a sibling receive special treatment, they begin to question their own worth. They may start asking themselves, what is wrong with me? Why am I not loved the same way? This question can affect a child's confidence for years. Many sibling rivalries begin because of unequal treatment from the parents. The child who feels neglected may develop resentment towards both the parents and the favored sibling. Parents often justify favoritism by saying, this child is more intelligent, this child is more responsible, this child understands me better. But love should never be based on performance. Each child is unique. Some children excel academically, others excel socially. Some are naturally calm, others need more guidance. Your responsibility is to nurture each child according to their needs while loving them equally. Mothers, which child do you not carry for 9 months? Father, which child is not your own? Every child deserves love, encouragement, and acceptance. In conclusion, as parents, let's build homes where every child feels valued. Let us avoid comparison. Let us avoid favoritism. Let us celebrate the uniqueness of every child. Because when children feel equally loved, family becomes stronger and siblings' relationship becomes healthier. Have you ever experienced favoritism in your family, either as a parent or a child? How did it affect your life? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow Okorie Family TV for more marriage, parenting, and family lifestyle content. May God bless your family.